Forex signals, MLMs, scams, bad courses, all of them got the same goal: take your money. Yes, I have a new mic. So we live in a society where the best way to make money, it's not by being a doctor opening successful business, but it's to make others think that they can also make money. And this have been proven a lot of time. I mean, you just have to scroll down a little bit on social media to see that what I'm saying is totally true. And this is actually the secret jutsu of one type of people: Forex traders. 5 years ago, when I was learning to trade, I'm not gonna lie, I also bought course just to see later that everything was already free on YouTube. So I tried to convince myself as I can. So I convinced myself that I didn't buy the course, but I paid to find the right information easier. But this wasn't totally true actually, because by just typing Ishimiku Cloud on the internet on YouTube, I found 100 times the same information on a ton of different languages. And I agree that on this example, it was actually my laziness that scammed me, because with just a little bit of more research, I know that I could actually avoid buying this course. But during the following years, I have met hundreds of people who wanted to learn to trade, and like more than 90% of them started because of a sketchy Telegram signal group or a broker that promised a nice deposit that did some advertising on Snapchat or other social media. And I mean, and by attracting people like that into Forex, create a very toxic community. We're the only winners actually into this whole process. I mean, it's not even traders, it's only like Forex scammers. The only way actually to win into this whole cycle is by actually being a scammer. So you get scammed, you automatically learn not to trade but learn to create another scam, and things just continue from scammer to scammer, and things keep going. As you scroll down your Instagram, Facebook or YouTube feeds, you'll come across numerous Forex traders accounts with flashy profiles flaunting their luxury cars and celebrity lifestyle. And that's one big problem. I mean, so they frequently post everything related to their Forex trading activities to show how they're growing the account, tempting other people to join Forex. However, the action are more likely to annoy or even disgust you than encourage you actually to do the same, especially when you already lost a big amount of money and then you see this type of stuff on the internet. I mean, the most important reason is that they are not genuine. I mean, we somehow feel that these traders are kind of fake. With all their posters showing them on the beach claiming to work 1 hour a day, that's not what real traders actually look like. I mean, genuine Forex traders who actually make money by trading are low-key committed to their jobs and don't have time to waste, I mean, on social media. I mean, they don't spend their whole life promoting their courses or this type of stuff. They have their own account, working hard to actually grow their portfolio and making profits. I mean, and probably no reason actually to showcase them on their social media accounts. And this brings us to the point number 2. Forex trading is hard. No genuine traders promise guaranteed money through this venture. And according to the statistic, this is something that you can literally see on every brokers. 80% of all Forex traders stop trading within the 2 first years. Experienced traders have lost more than what they have earned in the beginning, and this actually could discourage many people from joining simply this market. And however, these Instagram traders downplay all these difficulties and paint a dreamy picture that not many people actually can achieve. Point number 3, it's all a scam. These so-called Forex traders share their portfolio and throw in some positive thinking advice to lure their followers, believing that they can achieve anything in their life through Forex. I mean, and all of this is kind of annoying because, I mean, we already know that they are trying to sell a pipe dream that not a lot of people will be able to achieve. That's why you should be careful because, I mean, most of these accounts are probably scams. I mean, even almost all of them. So rather than true traders, I mean, there's a bunch of social media of these accounts who recruit teenagers or young adults, use a shady trading platform. They use this platform to sell anything related to Forex, from trading platform to signals or advertise brokers, like we said earlier with the deposit bonuses. So they claim that only by using what they recommend, you can be as rich as them. Even tell you that you can make thousands of dollars daily by simply following what you're doing, and this on a regular basis. And all of this by being an alpha sigma male with a good mindset. And I mean, if you just browse a little bit through their page, you'll see no content related to pure trading tips and analysis or any sign that show that they are traders. I mean, and if you ask them for documents or some proof that they are making big gains, I mean, I understand that you don't want to give your numbers to anyone, but I mean, you at least have to show some proof, and not even the technical analysis, only profit, cars, Dubai, and a ton of different luxury related things. And this sends us to another point: they are just everywhere. Even if if they are legit Forex traders. They seem to be advertising their brokers, platforms, signals everywhere on the internet, and it's like they're taking advantage of this Forex advertising to push their agendas and make people actually follow them. They use every opportunity to actually convince you that the service they promote is better than others. So that's why you can see in any saturated market show up, and that's something that you can see, I mean, in every saturated market: stock market, dropshipping, Forex market, crypto, affiliate marketing. I mean, these type of people are just everywhere. Show up like under every internet thread and talk about how they succeed through working with a particular broker or platform with their Sigma mindset. How do social media Forex scam works? So most of these social media accounts are actually pyramid that promise high profit by flashing the account owners money. So most of them actually feature attractive women by posing in front of a car or mansion or even holding up some cash. They really want to instill a target by making you believe that this could be you. And they mostly target young people who actually fall for get rich quick schemes more readily. So young people follow these accounts, I mean, looking for a way to actually get retired in their 20s with big fat banks account. These scams identify and choose their victims from young people and contact them via social media messaging like DM me for more information. Then they try to actually sell the unexpecting victim dream of making tons of cash in the Forex market and earning financial freedom. To then of course sell the victim Forex related products such as signals, platforms, or educational videos, so courses. They convince you that such products are essential, I mean, if you want to become a successful trader. And here's the catch: as soon as you actually buy one of these products, you become a part of the pyramid scheme that consider the traders online. So they make you believe that to earn more money you need to bring in other people's. They let you trade in the Forex, but since you'll be most likely to lose, you'll get back to recruiting other people to have more money to lose, because you can actually make more money, and that's where you get busy doing other things than actually trading Forex. So they keep selling you the dream by holding conferences and showcasing top recruiters who advise you to not give up on your dream because you're an alpha male or woman, or I don't know. And somewhere down the line, when you have already lost all of your money and you're very frustrated, you discover down the line that it is actually all a lie, but you actually made someone rich, sadly not yourself, but the creator of this scam. So how to avoid scams. So scammers use different ways to actually squeeze money out of their victims, from taking money to trade on their behalf, binary option, and simply selling a useless product. By the way, yeah, avoid binary option. It's literally the biggest scam in this industry. For some reason people still don't believe that. So don't accept everything you see on social media. If something is too good to be true, it's mostly likely a scam. If someone promises astronomical numbers in a short time, stay away from them as far as possible. Check their profile and look for links to their website. Most of these self-proclaimed traders don't have any. So to be on the safe side, steer clear of all these investment proposals and opportunities on social media. There have been so many fraud cases on these channels that it's safe to follow your investment activities on others' venues. Know your regulating bodies in your country and check if the individuals or firm you want to work with is regulated. This is extremely important. Just type the name of the broker you want to use, regulation, check if they are regulated. I highly recommend. The best regulated brokers are actually the one regulated by the CSEC, the UK regulation, or the US regulation, the Australia also. But the problem with the Australia is that you would need to be to live there, I mean, to actually have access to the regulation. The safest way is actually to go to the finance institution from your country. So let's say that I want to check the regulation of IC markets, so I can scroll down and try to find the legal name of IC markets. So IC markets U Ltd Limited, IC markets. Let me just be that. Then you can go to the website of the finance inspection from your country. Here in Sweden it's Finansinspektionen, so all you gotta do, then you should come to a page like this. You can just type in the name, and as you can see, IC Market EU Ltd, so IC Market Europe Limited. This means that IC Market is regulated here in Sweden, and this means that if for some reason, if one day IC Market decide to scam me or to do something to me, I can just contact them, and if my accusations are actually true, then simply the inspection from here will actually protect me in a way where I may be refunded, they may lose their license here in Sweden. So I mean, they are losing more than what they are winning. There is no reason that it will scam you, simply because I mean, it's not worth for them to scam you 500 euro, especially if after they lose one regulation, one country against them, a lot of bad publicity on social media. So if the broker or the platform or anything related to finance is actually regulated in your country, then you can call it as a safe. This is why it is extremely important to always see if the finance thing that you want to do is regulated in your country. So again, know your regulating bodies in your country and check if the individual or firm you want to work with is regulated in your country. So these regulatory authorities have a list of regulated entities that you can easily find on their website, as I showed earlier. Before making any financial decision, do thorough research and seek advice from knowledgeable people or authorities. They're going to be large sums of money at stake, so don't take it lightly. If you see a swindler actually contacting you, don't hesitate to actually report them. This way you help many other people who are likely to fall for these scammers. Forex trading has a clear path. You find a legit mentor with a good track record and documents that show that they have worked with a notarized broker. Then you spend months learning the ropes and gaining experience through a demo account. After developing a nice strategy on yourself, you can start trading with whatever capital you feel. There is no way, of course, I mean, if you learn a little bit better alone, you can follow on the information on internet, but I recommend to backtest your strategy from at least 3 to 6 months in a row and being profitable during these 3 or 6 months before even thinking of going to a real account. I mean, what people usually do, they found a strategy, they put in 200, 300 euro in an account, they lose the whole money, and then they say that the strategy is bad simply because they entered with 10 to 20% of their capital on every trade, and then they lose the whole money. And then, yeah, I mean, it's just a very toxic process. So it takes time, but it is definitely worth it if you do everything right. So in conclusion, I would like to say that most people you see on social media and the internet trying to recruit you aren't actually real Forex traders. They're swindlers who don't know the first thing about Forex trading and try to take advantage of young people greed and naivety to actually make money on them. And this is one of the main reasons that I actually find all of this industry pretty annoying. It wasn't like that a few years ago. They don't tell you about the problems and difficulties of trading Forex and only focus on the things you actually could buy. The best thing to do is avoid them altogether, follow proper channel and join a regulated entity to actually start Forex trading. If you want to see a legitimate account Forex grow, you can check the video right here. I'll try one video of this series every month where we'll try to convert $500 to at least $10,000. Of course, again, it will take way more than a month or a year, or I don't know, it will take a lot of time, but I mean, will keep going with this series until we actually make it. If you like this video, subscribe. If you didn't like, don't subscribe. But anyway, have a good day. And here we are, around 1.5 years later, I recorded this video. I was doing the editing of it. I removed this video from the channel and I reposted it for a lot of different reasons. There was 2-3 things I wanted to remove from it because it doesn't really mean something at the actual moment. So I just wanted to say that 1.5 years later, I stopped trading the Forex market for religious purposes. And I'm actually at the moment only trading the stock market in a kind of a special way. But things are actually going way better for me financially, emotionally also. And it takes me way less time than before. I'm a little bit more focused on swing trading at the moment, but all of that what you saw in this video at the moment still matter because I remove the things that aren't actual. Forex trading nowadays, I don't want to say that you can't make a lot of money, but the thing is that it will take you a lot of time to actually become profitable in it. And if you, instead of that, put the same amount of time to do something else, I think on the long run, doing something else will be more profitable and less stressful. So I'm not saying, yeah, you should stop trading just because I stopped off doing it. I didn't stop because it didn't work for me. I didn't stop because it's a scam or something like that. No, it's working and you can still make a lot of money. At the end, they are way more profitable, way and worse things to do if you take in consideration the time it will take you to become profitable. So again, I just wanted to say that I stopped trading Forex market and I'm now only focused on the stock market. So thanks again for watching this video. Sorry for my hair, I just was outside. I can show you the weather now. Just look at the weather outside. Let me show you. I mean, just look at that. So anyway, thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe. If you don't like, don't subscribe. But anyway, have a good day.